Shari kaham jotolono okra chakra dara bai te ani saksalai songo ani gumu pirkha deborma ang tabuk National Institute of Technology Agartala pori tongo BSMS chemistry branch ani hobbies ke photography and ani aim in life ke ko tabuk chemistry BSMS pori tongo ke ulo PhD khaye professor nani.
What is the full form of BSMS?
BSc MSc.
Full form is
BSc MSc.
Bachelor of Science, Master of Science.
Hobby kita macam ni.
Photography.
Okay, bye.
Pula nono, joto nono orang pay manjamai, operat saklar nono, ani khani bol miya poro.
Tahu sama sopi mandang dong mana?
Te oro daras no, sari kaham miya poro, te bai sono sari kaham, te an saksalai nono ani khani manjama, te ce bai poro. Ani mo paithak de borma, ang obicar kami ni Basram para oklayo, ani para ingge. Ang Makante Academy ni Higher Secondary Pass kaya, kami ni aguno ang National Institute of Technology Agartala wo khata, ani branch ke civil engineering ke ani hobby singe ang time ang kurang Bible poribo ang mo ramang sabo Bible poribo hete ang samong khnaw je kono language ang nan khnaw
Apa?
ke ani aim in life ang engineering civil engineer namaste
Domo chara dholai tri ang Holy Cross School Agartala ni pass out tabukhe National Institute of Technology Agartala wo BSMS Mathematics and Computing na haripuri tongu ani hobbies inka cooking and cricket nine ni ani aim in life mathematics professor
Masana ro ringe de mana?
iya ang masana ringa dara
Mama sana yang mana?
dara musashi maya ni
This is another one, Musara one, go. Bye.
Amai mana?
hambar
can I start
Yes, you can start.
jotona sari kaham bai kara song ani mo Devojit Verma ani para Agartala wo ang DBS ni pass out tabuk ang NIT National Institute of Agartala of Technology Agartala of Pori Tongo ani hobbies inke online gaming and singing
Agar tolan ni bu parawasan ni no.
Krishnanagar or Kalibariland
Okay, hamai, manai tam, nin nono tega se question sana mo songo. Nang belai ke kobro sana purwan nang tangi nervous.
ang kisa kobor mano
Acha.
tabuk ang
Kana ang nono kaisa question sana mo songo. Tawon ni tibra saro. Agi ni sime jarap ti aguli tong na boro. Kobro pa kobro saimi ango. Nang ki boro no kobro sarina dan muso. Kobro sarina muso kan nang buba ke boro no mana na muso.
ang kobor sari musung
Nang boro no kobro sarina dan muso. Should I explain again? Should I ask the question again? You understand?
yeah.
Those who are belongs to town at Tibrasa, okay? They can't speak properly Kokoro. Now, if any Tibrasa people can't speak Kokoro, then whether they deserve to be called as a Tibrasa or not.
Boti para saya
Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
hambai
Sari kaham oro kutungai joto baite dara sono ani bumungkha Sophie Deborma ang Don Bosco School ni pass out ang tabu National Institute of Technology Agartala wo Computer Science and Engineering branch o BTech course khai tongo ani hobby hinke resabung resabnani and my aim in life is to become a software engineer.
Mana ni mungtam jadi sakamo na?
Sophie Deborma.
Sophie sana mo robot I guess. Ni para bengo sa.
Ini robot ni mong Sophia si anaro is ikre
Oh, mana mistake yang tang atang kya. Ni hobby tam mo?
Resab nani.
Tam kan resap sana.
Ang kebangun resab bo. Aku bersih Cari teman lainnya Aku bersinggah Cari teman lainnya Dari keutamaan sungguh Berkau Kamu bising-bising Melayang matamu
Sari kaham jodnona ani darasong baisong tay ani saksalai. Ani mung Abhishek Deborma ani parake hezamara and ang Hindi school pass out hayo tabok National Institute of Technology Agartala wa Electrical Engineering poritong. Ani hobbies nge listening song tay amsungan.
Sari kaham selanai thokar song bernai thokai song lo Sari ko hongkai nai thu zau tara phung hongkai thui ba saman kisa mokol lo ong sai kisa nai thui hang zau
Ay mo ka kamang sao kung ba sa kanya.
mokol lo kisa chigong tara amon bagai kisa kaham kendu garam thang
Ako chimo na ta ka bolo ka ba.
awal chao
Okay. Kanari meninggung tamunai.
ani mung hongka kai primo diploma ang National Institute of Technology Agartala pori tongo Electrical Engineering branch jai ang ko St. Paul School student ani kami hongka kai Telemura Haibari Dishnrai Ananda Para.
Good evening everyone present here. My name is KP Chakma and I passed out from Auxilium Girls School. Now I'm recently studying in National Institute of Technology Agartala and my branch is Computer Science and Engineering. KP Chakma, CAPI.
Can you tell me your hobby?
My hobby is like painting,
What kind of paint?
like anime, scenery, anything.
Except that,
Except that nothing.
in other curricular activities like cultural dancing and singing.
I like to play basketball.
You like to play basketball?
Yeah.
Have you played ever in your life?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Hari kaham Ani mung Jasmine Deborma ang Asumra Public School in pass out
Mai jaga telah kembali ke saya ya.
Có sao đó mày phải sao sách nào?
Hari kaham jo tono Ani mung Jasmine Deborma ang Asumra Public School in pass out ang tabuk National Institute of Technology Agartala pori tongo Ani branch ka Electronics and Communication Engineering Ani nok ka bona Maripur Ani hobby ka cartoon nayo Shinchan kan sak khana Shinchan ni मेरा नाम तो शिनचैन है मैं शरारत से भरा बड़ी मुश्किल में पड़ी मेरी फैमिली मुहारा
Okay, thank you.
Kam dada baisong tay ani dolrok. Ani bumung ka billion ujoy.
Ali.
Tawa sini.
Ang class 10 jero Holy School Agartala pore ka te 11 12 Don Bosco te tabog ang National Institute of Technology aro pore tongo. Nge ani parang ka de pachara. Nge te ani hobby rong ka sports na cartoon na music
Tao sports tensan hai.
football basketball
Lalu
volleyball
branch ni dia.
ang electrical engineering
ऐसा खाना ही नहीं है।
komo made
लेकिन अमने खाना है देवा।
ani keno omo kaisa lo mastori to
Oro mali pemai dara balkai ani sakchalai rokno ani bumungke Akash Deborma ang tabuk National Institute of Technology koma Agartala pori tongo
Oma, pulos ka jadi ba?
koma sule dara hamke lagi
Oma,
ang schooling khaike umakante takimi ni thekya ani branch ke Electronics and Communication
ini hobi kamu sa.
dara hobby kheto kisa jikai rok thungo
Kisah dah tu baseball kamu ke ground ni, pai pai mana?
dara waisa thungle ante hingke
Nampak pai na ba no?
thungi nai ke amo sai manai ta
Kita mau college week, unko tipe sini sports orang tempat tinggal sana.
나라 사이시 말이야래 엑자모 소리 동물 이게 말서 통레한다
ถึงแล้วต่อกำลังข้อนี้เราก็มานั่งทำไป
한마디 있는 놈.